Want to join the community? In this video, I'm going to show you how to join Sammy's Discord server in just a few clicks. To get started, head over to the sidebar on the left side of your Discord and click the plus icon to add a server. A pop-up will appear. Scroll to the bottom and select the button that says Join a server. In the box under Invite link, you're just going to type in Sammy. Make sure to spell it exactly like that. Once you've typed it in, click the Join Server button at the bottom. Discord will then guide you through a few customization steps. Select your notification preferences like leaks or giveaways and click Next. Finally, read and agree to the server rules and hit Finish. This might take a moment to process depending on your internet speed, but once it loads, you're all set and officially in the server. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the server.